The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
How am I gonna do this? I told you.
Sit down. You got to go. You got to go.
I'm not in my ID before I do go.
No, you got to go. Take this mess with you.
Don't touch my shit now.
Take this mess with you. Well, please clean it up. Then do it.
Calm down.
No, you calm down. Do it. If you clean it up, I will.
Touch my shit. You want to damage my property? You get lost in your ass. Don't touch my shit.
Clean this mess up.
Don't touch my shit.
Clean this mess up. Clean this mess up. Clean this mess up.
What the fuck you got on?
Never mind. Clean it up.
Bitch, I make more money than you.
I don't care how much you make. Clean this mess up. No, it's fine. There's somebody who can get you.
I fuck with Cat County. Kind of size you in the night.
Now serving B246 at counter number 11.
That's my number again. Oh, okay. That's how she eat.
Now serving B249 at counter number 11.
And she finna fire up. Oh, gangsta girl. What wrong with that lady? I'm a pause. Gang. Oh, God. Can you please send that video to me when you send it? Tag me on Facebook. She got arrested right I just said, mine is dead. I'm mad as hell. Shit, mine, get ready to go, Dave. Get as much footage as you can. This is gangster. I don't know. And she's smoking. She won't fire it up. Is this another security guard? No. Right, he looking at him like, don't do it. He in the way. I know, right? I might even pause it so when the county call, they can get the footage of that.
Now serving B251 at counter number 6.
Leave her alone until they come. Oh, get it, girl. Don't stop. Oh, I love the chill. Don't stop. I'm so bad. I'm on this side. Oh my You done? Done.
Now 30, 8, 4, 3 at counter number
So what you
1.
gotta do now?
I failed the I passed it with the signs.
What you failed?
I failed the other part. I failed actually the labor question. That means I'm gonna have to retake it. And
So what you gotta do
I
now?
was close. I gotta wait. Okay.
Now survey C6, 7, 5 at counter number 9.
I was close to it. I was just in.
You better get that phone. Better get the book.
Nah, I got it now.
How many days they gonna give you the same test? You know that, right?
Yeah.
It's taking the cash count that long? Yeah. I just and they right there across the street. You know they got an office right here by Mason. It don't make no sense to take them that long. They right there. They can walk. They can. I'm willing to get a car though because they fat as hell. All of them. You went on your phone with I always got that shit hanging out now. I've been recording this shit for 7 minutes. And light a cigarette up in here.
Now survey C2, 5, 2 at counter number 4.
Oh, man, I want to be
Oh wait, let me put mine on because I use this.
They probably don't want me to come back like a whole nother.
And she putting lashes on. She dyed her hair. Oh shit, she stole all that. Oh, she still got the tank. She stole all that. I wanted this.
I was at the end, but the sound was so easy.
She put the glue on top.
I'm so mad I couldn't get a charger.
Somebody take the care count of these damn long.
That's a shame. You might go ahead and call. Because this is going to go down a little bit. She can kick his ass. He ain't even got no gun.
That's why he ain't nobody handle her. She thought she threw something at him.
His ass. Record
She
that.
threw something at him. Get out of me, motherfucker. You broke. I got more money than you.
This ain't got the gun. But you want to send her the gun.
I got a mail in the morning.
Right.
Don't you see me already?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, I got you. I asked Mary was like, Mary, she, I didn't just let her find it. She was like, I am. I'm not going.
All right.
I'm passing it.
I told you better take that book and study.
I did study.
They're gonna switch everything on. Everything.
Let me try out.
Back it and lift it.
I'm on probation. I ain't trying to be violated. I'm on state probation.
Now serving D8, 4, encounter line 1.
I gave him my.
What you said, police?
Yeah, I pick up my property. I'm fucking going last. That was my good.
Hold up. Is he over there? I got to see.
When he got the gun in the mace, in the taser, this motherfucker ain't got nothing but a damn intercom. She threw something at him. I know. Nigga, get out my face.
Now serving 801, encounter 9.
She get ready to get a second again. She's again. What they say?
Whatever that is, because station 1 or 2 is going to call you back up. You might not hear that. Okay.
He just passed the driver's test? No. I gotta burn my son. No, he didn't learn nothing he didn't pass. He think he just gonna come in and do it. I told him about to study. I'm gonna bring my son to try it. But he said he been studying. So he said. He do it online?
Now serving D2,
I got on the book. It's the book right there. I'm the
encounter
here.
4.
It's when you going out that rack right there.
Now serving D2, 5, 4, encounter number 4.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right away, I'm just going to get to the point about this video, right? Yes, it is out on social media and this video shows of a person doing some things, you know, in my opinion, about what the person had done in this video. It seems as if that person has somewhat of a mental issue or mentally ill, isn't it? Yeah, the person throwing things on the ground and sitting on the ground and, you know, laying on the ground and, you know, doing some things. To me, I think that the person is mentally ill. But hear what now? This video out on social media and some comments have been made about this video on social media that gives me the impression that some of the persons are saying that the security guards should have, you know, done something about the situation or to get the situation under control. Now, I'm going to just imagine myself as a security guard, you know, in that situation, right? Just imagining myself as one of the security guard in that situation. This is what I would have done. You see me? First of all, I am going to look and see what's up. If I realize that that person is mentally ill, you see me, then you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try and stand around to make sure that everybody else is safe and alright. Then me try to call the necessary authorities, let them come deal with a situation like this. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, you have persons out there that are certified and they are trained for a situation like this. You see me? When it comes down to mentally ill persons, viewers and subscribers, even though you're a security guard or so forth, you see me? To my point of view, you know, I think it is best to be careful, but at the same time, be understanding. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, the reason why I say be understanding is that, you know, the person has somewhat of a mental illness, so therefore they are not thinking properly. To me, that's how I think of it. But at the same time, when I say be careful, it means that be careful because they are mentally ill and you don't know if they are violent or what. You understand? So be careful. You see me? So if I was one of those security guards, like I'm telling you right now, I would just try to stand around and make sure that everybody else is safe, right? Because you can see that all of this had happened at a place of business. You see me? So I would stand around and make sure that other persons are safe and then try to get the necessary authorities to come and deal with a situation like this. You see me? You understand? Because there are laws out there that protects persons with mental illnesses. You see me? Yeah, and that's just my opinion about something like this. You see me? And you know, you can let me know if I'm right or I'm wrong in the viewers and subscribers. Alright? But anyways, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and this video shows of a person doing some things and it would seem as if that person is mentally ill. This video also shows of security guards trying to keep the situation under control, you know. And what would you do if you were one of those security guards in a situation like that? Alright? Yeah, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, and this is where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.